If you want to learn how to create a story highlight on Facebook, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open Facebook on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged in, you'll see the option to create or add a story. So just press the blue plus sign and choose the picture or video that you want to add on your story. Just wait for a few seconds for it to completely upload. And once it's uploaded, just click the picture and at the bottom right part of your screen, you'll see the button highlight. So just press the highlight icon and then here, you can change the title of your highlights on your Facebook account. You can also change the cover of your highlights, which will be seen on your Facebook profile. Once you're done changing the name and the cover, just press done. And once you press done, you'll see an option to add more stories or more pictures on your highlights. Once you add the picture to your highlights, you'll see a panel at the bottom part of your screen which says View Profile. So go there. So once you're here, you might not see the highlight yet, but you'll see a button saying View as Public. So just press that. And here you'll see your profile or what other people sees on your profile. And as you can see, the picture is already highlighted or added on your highlights. And that's all for this video. If this helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe.